how to make sure that your property investment will fail. Huh? Hi everybody, I am Dr. Daniele Gambero, the Propenomist. How to make sure, why do I want to fail in my property investment? Yeah, there are ways to make sure that 100% you will fail. You know how? Very simple. Buy retail space, buy hotel room, buy office space. Those three types of products, most of the time, are causing big headache to the buyers. Retail space, hotel. If the whole property is not managed by a proper entity, just forget it. Developers, there are developers around that are saying, oh, I manage my own condotel or hotel. Huh? Developer now become hospitality specialist? Since when? I don't know. Consider carefully. Never buy retail space, shopping mall lot, or hotel room if you are not sure 100% of who is the management company. You go around, you look around at how successful is MidValley, how successful is Pavillion, how successful is Suria KLCC. All these are super successful. Why? Shopping mall. Why? Because they are managed by one company, which takes care of all the advertisement, the promotions, filling up the ground floor, good mix of tenant, keeping up the rentals. If you are one of the few hundred owners of a retail space, isn't it there will be for sure 10% of them desperate to rent out, dropping the values, dropping the quality of the tenants, dropping the mix of the tenants? Think twice. You want to buy shopping mall? You want to buy office space? You want to buy hotel? Buy REITs. Don't buy properties. Buy share in the REITs, Real Estate Investment Trust. Be a smart Propenomy investor. All right? This is all for today. I will see you all tomorrow. Ciao, ciao.